Hey everyone, this is Jason Franklin, and today I'm going to show you how to bridge Polygon from being on the Ethereum mainnet as Polygon to the Polygon network and turning it into Polygon Matic. And I'm also going to show you how, once that's done, how to use Polygon to mint an NFT. So to start, you can see I'm on the Polygon bridge website. It's on wallet.polygon.technology. There's a couple different options here, but the one we're going to be focusing on today is the bridge. Another thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you have MetaMask installed. That's a Chrome extension. I like to call this a little puzzle piece. It's like an extensions puzzle piece. So I say click on the puzzle piece up here in the right-hand corner. This will bring up your extensions, and MetaMask is here. So I've created a demo wallet especially just for this video. So another thing you're going to want to do when you bridge Polygon from being on the Ethereum mainnet network over to the Polygon network is you're going to want to have a little bit of Ethereum in your wallet just for the gas fee. So this ETH is just a one-time fee when you're bridging it. There will be a small fee for Polygon transactions when you're doing transactions, whether it's sending Polygon from somebody to somebody else or whether it's minting an NFT. But like I said, those transaction fees are those, what you call them gas fees, are literally so small that it's just a beautiful thing. Sometimes gas fees on Ethereum right now are anywhere from $30 and up, sometimes higher. I've seen them as high as $50 and $70. So it's a great thing about Polygon. And also remember that not only is it you're paying less money in gas, you're creating less emissions when you're using Polygon because it's proof of stake, and Ethereum is still proof of work right now. But let's get started on this, and I'll show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to either send Polygon to your MetaMask wallet from another platform, such as Coinbase or Crypto.com or somewhere like that. But in many cases, when you send um, Polygon to yourself from another platform, it's going to end up under your Ethereum mainnet. And this is where the problem comes in, and where so many people get confused because they see that they have Polygon or Matic in their wallet, but it's it's under the Ethereum mainnet, and it needs to be bridged over to the Polygon network. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So as you can see here, we're in MetaMask. We have the Ethereum mainnet drop down. And if you drop down here, you can see all the other networks, but Ethereum mainnet is the one we're on right now. If you go over here to assets, you're going to see that I have 65 Matic in here. And this is just enough to mint a Dreamy Geek. That's the kind of NFT we're going to mint today. A Dreamy Geek costs 57 Matic, but I went ahead and sent 65 just for safe measures. It's not going to cost anywhere near that much. It'll be somewhere around 57 Matic and a little bit of change, but typically, like I said, it's around a penny. So this Matic is here, and what a lot of people try to do is they have the Matic here in their Ethereum mainnet wallet, and they think, oh, well, I have Matic, so I can go mint an NFT, or I have Matic in my wallet. So let me show you what happens. So let's go over to the site, dreamygeeks.com, and this is a NFT project that we're going to mint from today to show you how to do this. And so if we go to connect wallet, which that didn't work, but what we need to do is let's go ahead and connect this wallet. I mean, I think we need to switch over to Matic mainnet so that, there we go. Because this is this NFT project is using Matic. As you can see here, they're charging 57 Matic. One, two. And actually, full disclosure, this is a project I'm a co-creator of. I said they, meaning the team. I'm part of that team, just for full disclosure. But using this project to show you how to do this, many of the people in our community have asked how to do the bridge, and wanted to make this video to show people how to do this and help. So as you can see, the wallet's connected. But if I go ahead and mint, and you see, if you go to MetaMask, a person that didn't know about or understand the bridge would think, well, I have this Matic in my wallet, so it should, it should mint. But when you go here to the Matic mainnet, you've got 0 Matic in your wallet, right? So you can see that too. Let me go back to that real fast. So it shows that I have 0 Matic here, but you might think that you have the Matic because it's under Ethereum mainnet. So if I go here to mint right now, the transaction is going to fail because there's no Matic there, and um, it is looking for 57 Matic and some gas. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to the Polygon bridge, and right now you're going to have to connect to your wallet. So you can click on bridge and it'll ask you to connect to your wallet. So you're going to click MetaMask, and it's going to bring up, it's going to prompt you to sign, and this is just a signature. This doesn't cost any money when you sign something, but always be very careful what you sign and what you're signing into, because this is how um, people sometimes get hacked. So you always want to make sure that you're signing into stuff that you trust. I've signed into wallet.polygon.technology numerous times. Make sure you're on the right correct URL. So we're going to go ahead and sign. Now we're going to be connected to that demo account that I have that Matic in. So we're going to look for the Matic. So as you see, we're on the Ethereum chain. It shows that there is a balance of 65 Matic, which is exactly what we saw here in the MetaMask Ethereum wallet that we were in earlier. And I'll just go show you that real quick just to show you what I'm talking about. So you see here 65. So there we go. So you see there's 65 Matic. This Polygon bridge is picking it up, and we want to convert that to Matic token. So in this scenario, I want to convert all of the Matic in my Ethereum chain wallet over to Matic token. So I'm going to click max. If you don't want to convert everything, you can just pick the number. Let's say I only want to do 58. I could do that. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it all over so that it's there. And you're going to click on transfer. It's basically telling us here, moving funds from Ethereum to Polygon. Deposit of fund takes approximately 7 to 8 minutes. That's pretty normal. So we're going to go ahead and press continue. Deposit process consists of 2 transactions. Estimation of total gas required for these transactions. So to approve the deposit, it's 1427, and complete deposit is 38. I may not have enough Ethereum in my wallet right now, so I may have to send myself some more Ethereum, but let's go ahead and try it. So Matic token, 65 Matic tokens, which is the equivalent of $111.15 right now. And the estimated transaction fee is $14.27. We'll go ahead and agree to that. And then it's going to ask you to confirm. And so we're confirming the transaction fee, which it looks like it's $10.21. So it's dropped a little from this. And we're going to confirm it. Now the transfer started. You can see the transfers in progress, and you can just basically sit here and watch this. Sometimes it takes a little longer. So it'll go through this process of approval, and then it'll get to the confirmed, which is in the middle. You'll see it get to confirm, and then I believe it asks you to sign one more time, but we will double confirm that here in a moment as we let this transaction go through. Oh, there it goes. So it's unconfirmed. Estimated, oh, so now it's wanting more Ethereum, which I don't believe I have. I may have to transfer to myself. So let's go ahead and try it. It's probably going to say insufficient funds. Yes, I don't have that much in my wallet. Let's see, what do I have in there? So I'm going to go ahead and reject this and send some more Ethereum to myself. Okay, so now I've sent some Ethereum to myself from Coinbase, and now this Ethereum is going to be in my Ethereum wallet, obviously, and we can go ahead and continue with the transactions because now we have the $38 there to continue the transaction. So we'll go ahead and click continue now that we have the Ethereum there, and it's going to ask me to approve. And now actually the transaction fee has dropped a little bit, which is actually great. And so now our transaction's in progress. So what I was also going to show you while we're waiting is while this transaction is happening, you can go out and view it on the Etherscan. So, and this is cool because it shows you about approximately how much longer the transaction might take. And this is just an estimation. It could take a little more. Oh, success. It's already done. So that's perfect. So transfer is en route. So this is basically just showing you the success of the transfer en route, but it says your transfer is en route. It will take 7 to 8 minutes for the deposit to get completed. On completion, your balance will be updated. So what we're going to look for is we see that the transactions happen there. We go back to our, and we can see also another cool thing is if you close this out, you can leave it open, but if you close it out, you can see your one pending transaction up here. So if you've got the transaction going on that's en route or happening, it'll show pending. So if you click there, it'll show you what's going on. And also, you can go back over to your MetaMask wallet, and we are on Ethereum still, but if we click over to the Matic mainnet, when this transaction is complete, we will have 65 Matic here. So the Matic is no longer here. So that means it's been taken from this Ethereum mainnet Matic wallet, and it's en route and being sent to this Matic mainnet wallet here. So that's a good sign. Okay, here we go. We can see the deposit has just been successful. So it took 14 minutes for this transaction, which is a little longer than normal. Normally it takes about 5 to 7 minutes for me, but there must have been a lot of network stuff going on right now. So, and as you can see, we now have 65 Matic in our Matic mainnet wallet. So 65 Matic. So now we have it in our wallet, and we can go back to the Dreamy Geeks website. So now we want to mint that NFT. And since we are connected to the Matic mainnet wallet, you want to make sure that's what you're connected to. If we go here to mint, and we only have enough to mint one. So if we go to mint, we're no longer going to get transaction failed because there's actually Matic in the wallet. And we see that the gas price here is it's pretty low. So it's if you let it sit for a minute, it'll go around. But so 57, so you see 57 Matic is how much it cost to mint to Dreamy Geek. But if you look, it's 57.0045. And the number disappeared on me, but that's not very much. This equals out to like a penny or so. So it's only costing 57 Matic plus a penny. Let's go ahead and confirm the transaction. Nothing yet. But what we can do, which is pretty cool, is you can go up here to your MetaMask wallet. And so it's still pending. So that's another thing you can do. If you don't see it on your OpenSea yet, one thing you can do is go back to your MetaMask wallet where you did the mint from, and you can see here it is waiting. So what you can do is also is you can look at the mint token information, and you can view that transaction on the block explorer. So you can click this, and it will take you out to the Polygon Polyscan. This is the Polygon version of Etherscan. It actually is really great. It works just like Etherscan. So at this point, the transaction is still pending and it's been a little longer than normal. So what we can do is we can go back to our MetaMask wallet and we can see that transaction is still pending. And usually on Polygon, the transactions are pretty fast, but if they're not going as fast as you'd like, you can always go here and speed up or attempt to speed up the transaction. And doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do high. That gives it as much as you can. And then we're gonna save and we'll see if we can speed this transaction up at all. Confirmed. That's good. That did it. As you can see, just speeding up the transaction. Sometimes with Polygon, it's so inexpensive to speed up a transaction. Sometimes that's the best way to do it. You don't always have to do that, but in this scenario, as you can see, it minted very quickly once I speeded that transaction up. And now you can see we have a Dreamy Geek in our OpenSea wallet, our OpenSea account. This is really cool. So we have a Dreamy Geek and it's really awesome. And that's how you mint on Polygon. And I hope that this video was valuable. If you liked what I showed you, please follow, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see in the comments. Thanks so much.